सबसे पहले तो आपका स्वागत है यहाँ पे कॉन्फ्रेंस में। ये हम सुचित्रा कैंसर केयर से हैं और हम अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम करते हैं। तो अभी आज हम ब्रेस्ट कैंसर पे कुछ आपसे सवाल करना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज़ आप पहले अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दें।
मैं डॉक्टर अविनाश उपाध्याय हूँ। मैं एक मेडिकल ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट हूँ और मैं अभी मिथिला कैंसर केयर और महावीर कैंसर संस्थान से एसोसिएटेड हूँ। आई वर्क देयर एज अ कंसल्टेंट मेडिकल ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट। मैं सॉलिड कैंसर्स और लिक्विड कैंसर्स दोनों देखता हूँ और दोनों ट्रीट करता हूँ।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच। सर मतलब सबसे कॉमन अर्ली जो साइंस होते हैं और सिम्टम्स होते हैं ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के, वो क्या होते हैं?
जो मोस्ट कॉमन सिम्टम है आई थिंक दैट इज ब्रेस्ट लम्प। प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना कि जो मैलिग्नेंट ब्रेस्ट लम्प्स आर पेनलेस, दर्द रहित होता है, लाइक पेन नहीं होता। तो पेशेंट्स इन जनरल टेंड टू इग्नोर दिस बिकॉज इफ समथिंग कॉजेज पेन it comes to our attention. That's not natural human tendency. This breast lump does not cause any pain, and that's why it gets ignored. Most common early sign and most common symptom is breast lump in breast cancer. Apart from this, nipple का retraction होना, nipple से discharge, bloody discharge होना, axilla में कोई lump feel होना, supraclaviria में lump feel होना, these are other things. But most common, if you ask, it's breast lump, painless breast lump.
ओके तो कौन से एज में स्क्रीनिंग हमें शुरू कर देनी चाहिए और हाउ ऑफन वी शुड स्टार्ट इट?
अबव एज 40 जितनी भी स्टडीज हुई हैं, अबव एज 40 वी विल स्टार्ट। आवर मीडियन एज जो हमारे यहाँ ब्रेस्ट कैंसर का है दैट इज 47 ईयर्स। सो अबव एज 40 वी विल स्टार्ट। आइडियली शैल बी डन ईयरली, एनुअल मैमोग्राम कर सकते हैं। कुछ हाई रिस्क पेशेंट, मान लो जिसके घर में ऑलरेडी हिस्ट्री है ब्रेस्ट कैंसर की, जिनके घर में BRCA1 जीन म्यूटेशन डिटेक्ट हुआ है, we ask them to get screening done at age of 30 itself. Not only breast mammogram, they have to get annual MRI also done. So for high risk patient, mammogram with MRI. For general patient population above age 40, annually mammogram होना चाहिए as part of screening.
तो आप बिहार के पेशेंट्स में कॉमन डिलेज क्या देखते हैं इसको लेकर?
Most common delay is this painless thing. They have got a lump, they tend to ignore. They think it's not painless, it's not causing any pain. They just keep doing ignore. The second thing which I have come across, recently I got across a lady who is a teacher. She came to me कि मुझे शर्म आ रही थी. Like this is a very common thing in this. This is very like awkward thing, but that's what happens. So she was telling कि though she was feeling there is a lump and she thought also कि it could be cancer, she came to me only when it was stage 4. बिकॉज उनको ऐसा लग रहा था कि हाउ सेल गो विथ टू मीट अ डॉक्टर. सो आई थिंक मोस्ट कॉमन तो पेनलेस रहना. दूसरा, फीमेल्स अपने हेल्थ को लेके बहुत इग्नोरेंट रहती हैं. दे कीप ऑन लुकिंग द हेल्थ ऑफ अदर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, बट फॉर देमसेल्व्स आई थिंक दे जस्ट कीप ऑन इग्नोरिंग. एंड सिंस दिस इज पेनलेस, द इग्नोरेंस गोज ऑन टिल कि इट बिकम्स अल्सर एंड दे स्टार्ट ब्लीडिंग. I think these are most common things which delays the presentation. One more common thing you can say is lack of awareness. People do not know actually that this might be cancer. That is also thing. This is common in I think city area, like in Patna, where they will come to you, but only when they come to know कि नहीं एक painless breast lump जो है breast cancer हो सकता है, they'll come. So if we make our society aware, I think that we might get early cases.
सर तो वो जो लम्प्स होते हैं वो मतलब स्मॉल साइज होते हैं या लार्ज साइज होते हैं, ऐसा कुछ?
It can be small size, it can be large size. When you just feel it, palpate it, normally whenever they palpate it, they find it कि there is a lump. ये भी बताते हैं कि ये lump बढ़ रहा था, it was growing, increasing in size. But I think since these were not bothering, they get involved in other things and it gets ignored.
तो पेनलेस लम्प्स के साथ साथ क्या उनको ब्रेस्ट में वो पेन भी होता है, मतलब काइंड ऑफ?
नहीं होता है. That is the problem actually.
नहीं मतलब
ये तभी होगा जब वो एडवांस होगा, बड़ा होगा, देन स्किन टाइटनिंग होगा, स्किन खींचने लगेगा, तब पेन शुरू होगा. It becomes very advanced then.
And some kind of irritation, itching, something?
No irritation, no itching, nothing.
ओके तो ब्रेस्ट कैंसर में कीमोथेरेपी का क्या रोल है?
ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के ना एक्चुअली बहुत सारे सब टाइप्स हैं. कुछ हार्मोन डिपेंडेंट है, कुछ हार्मोन इंडिपेंडेंट है, कुछ HER2 है. तो ब्रेस्ट कैंसर एज ए होल अगर हम देखें तो ऑलमोस्ट तीनों मोडालिटी, कीमोथेरेपी, टारगेटेड थेरेपी, आपको सर्जरी, रेडिएशन, सबकी आवश्यकता पड़ती है ब्रेस्ट कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट में.
What is triple negative breast cancer?
ट्रिपल नेगेटिव ब्रेस्ट कैंसर बेसिकली क्या है कि हमारे इंडियन पॉपुलेशन में तो काफ़ी कॉमन है. सो इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ ब्रेस्ट कैंसर नॉट हार्मोन डिपेंडेंट. हार्मोन डिपेंडेंट मतलब कि इन जनरल एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, एक्सेसिव एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ब्रेस्ट कैंसर इन फीमेल्स. कैसे? तो जैसे आपको लाइक इफ़ यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी बेबी, यू हैव अ सिंगल बेबी, इफ़ यू हैव अर्ली मेनार्की मतलब मेंसेस पहले आना और लेट मीनोपॉज होना, दिस ऑल exposes your body to heavy estrogen. So hormone dependent breast cancer becomes most common side. But in our India, it is hormone independent. Like estrogen receptor, progesterone receptor will not be expressed in that breast tumor. And HER2/neu, the 3 markers we do to see the type of breast cancer, these 3 markers will be negative. So 30 to 40% of Indian population carries this breast cancer, which is little aggressive compared to other two.
So what do you think, what emotional or practical support helps during this treatment?
So this is very important since this emotional, I believe every time when a cancer patient is diagnosed with this therapy, I think his moral goes very down. ये इसका कारण क्या है कि सोसाइटी में ये प्रिवेलेंट में कि अगर आपको कैंसर है तो आई डोंट नो लाइक यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू सर्वाइव, दिस काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग इज देयर. इवन इफ इट इज अर्ली स्टेज पीपल गेट स्केयर्ड. So emotional support is definitely required. It is mostly given by your family members, and I think regularly meeting like support groups like you people. I think it can be given either by family member who have a good family support, or the patient who are not having family support require some kind of support from other groups. So that this chemotherapy is also we say that there is no nausea, there is no vomiting, but definitely the weakness, the side effects like hairs loss is a very important thing actually. Females losing hair is not easy for them to accept. And losing a breast also, this becomes actually problematic. It's not easy. We just say this is a part of therapy, but I believe this causes emotional and psychological trauma to our patients. So they definitely require this kind of support from family members, or at least from some other groups during the treatment.
Yes, sir. What is the one thing you wish every caregiver should understand?
What I believe ki giving hope to our cancer patients is very important. So if you are a caregiver, I understand it takes a toll actually on you to take care of a patient, but since the person who is suffering, he is at a very low emotional I think low emotional, at lowest emotional what I can say, lowest emotional position. So I think a caregiver must give hope, and they shall make the patient, even doctors become caregiver, they shall make the patient believe that this is doable and we can come over the cancers. For early stages, so like stage 1, 2, 3, we just cure the disease. Stage 4 also, now the treatment modalities has gone so better that patient can survive even beyond 5 years. एक चीज़ और जो इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हम लोग देखो कैंसर जो प्रिवेंटेबल है, एटलीस्ट वी शैल ट्राई टू प्रिवेंट. Cervical cancer, breast cancer, if we do regular screening, we can get many patients in early stage and we can actually prevent the deaths. So I think जो सबसे important चीज़ है जो हमें करना चाहिए, I think aware करना चाहिए अपने सोसाइटी को, and we shall make sure that the patient get diagnosed in early stages, so that we can reduce the number of.
What are the typical costs for breast cancer treatment and insurance?
So I believe Ayushman has played a very important role in this.
Yes.
So many a patient who were not affording treatment earlier, after the launch of Ayushman Bharat, I think many medicines see in early stage breast cancers, the medicines also have become very cheaper. The generics have come. So the treatment जितना पहले कॉस्टली था, आई थिंक इट हैज़ गॉन वेरी लो. आपका रेडिएशन सर्जरी आयुष्मान से फ्री में, कीमोथेरेपी फ्री में, टारगेटेड थेरेपीज फ्री में. सो यू शैल डेफिनेटली कम अप फॉर ट्रीटमेंट. दिस इज नॉट कि लाइक पैसा नहीं है तो ट्रीटमेंट नहीं होगा. अब एटलीस्ट विद द ब्लेसिंग ऑफ आयुष्मान भारत इट्स नॉट देयर, सो वी कैन ट्रीट मेनी नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स.
मतलब कीमोथेरेपी हो जाता है, कंप्लीट हो जाता है, तो उसके बाद क्या फॉलोअप केयर आप रिकमेंड करते हो पेशेंट्स को? एंड हाउ
जनरली व्हेन अ पेशेंट गेट्स कीमोथेरेपी, सर्जरी, रेडिएशन, एवरीथिंग डन, वी आस्क द पेशेंट टू कम 3 monthly. Every 3 months they come to us. We do clinical examination to see for whether any recurrence is there or not. We discuss the clinical things like whether she has got back pain or not. So clinical examination, annual mammogram. This is a must for every patient on follow-up. We keep on doing up to 5 years, certain patient beyond 5 years also, because hormone positive breast cancer tend to recur lately. So this is a must, 3 monthly visit and annual mammogram. This we do almost for every patient.
Some government or low cost hospitals you can suggest.
So government hospitals, I think I am right now at PMCH also, so that becomes a low cost. Mahavir Cancer Institute is a low cost. In fact, wherever Ayushman is there, you do not have to pay money, anything actually. Like everything will be free of cost.
Yeah.
So it has become. See, what I believe in breast cancer, it's not about cheap treatment. It's also about the correct treatment. Okay. So it's not like ideally at least you shall meet the right oncologist. This is very, very important. If you do not meet the right oncologist and your treatment is, because the first chance is the best chance to cure a cancer. So at least meet the right person, take opinion. Whether you want to get treated there at the big center or not, that is another thing. You can afford or not, this comes later. First, planning of treatment is very, very important. So you shall meet the right doctor. Whether he is at Medanta, I don't care. You go to Medanta, Paras, you go to Mahavir, wherever you, just take the right opinion and then decide where to get treatment done so that it can be done at a lower cost. But planning of treatment is very important. It has to be done not only by surgical oncologist, because generally breast cancer patients tend to go to a surgical oncologist. So because in certain patients ना पहले कीमोथेरेपी देते हैं फिर सर्जरी करते हैं, ऐसा पार्ट है ब्रेस्ट कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट. You shall meet surgeons, you shall meet medical oncologists, so that एक treatment plan सही बने. एक बार plan सही बने, then we can decide कि कहाँ पे कौन से center पे हमको कम पैसे में ये treatment हो सकता है. तो this is important for cancers, any cancer I believe.
Thank you, sir. Sir, कुछ और message आप देना चाहेंगे?
The one message from my side will be there कि like cancer in today era is not like कि it's a death sentence. Please come forward and get treated. Early breast cancers respond beautifully and they tend to live a normal life. So normal life is there even if you are diagnosed with breast cancer. Don't be fearful. Come out, meet your oncologist and get yourself treated. And please be aware of the symptoms and surroundings. There are so many YouTube videos, so many foundations which are taking care of, so many interviews are there. Please go through that and try to be conscious actually about your own body. If you will be conscious, you will come early. If you will come early, cancer will be treated very, very easily and you will be surviving forever actually. So it's better ki do not be fearful. Come forward, get treated and be conscious of all symptoms. We do watch a lot of videos on YouTube which might not be meaningful, but these are videos which we shall not ignore actually. Just be conscious in your presence and you will be doing good.
Thank you, sir.